Here I got another eBay package. This time it's a Simple Deluxe 12-piece light fixture kit. Got it a little bit used. Probably like it has almost rarely been used though. So let's unbox it. I'm giving my room an industrial look. I like those clamp lights. They're fucking cool. They're the little 60-watt ones though, but they'll work. I'm only putting 4.5 watt bulbs in there. No incandescent bulbs. LEDs are good for lighting though, they're more efficient. Incandescents are good collector's items though. I like collecting them, but for main use of lighting, they're not good. However, I would use... Oh, my YouTube paused because someone sent me a notification. Sorry about that. It's really a waste of my life. But whatever. Fucking hate when that happens. Should have turned on Do Not Disturb on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hold on. It says return to UPS store. Had to pause the video again because there was a shipping label once again. I'll put that on my site. So here's the box. It is full with fucking peanuts, and I hate that. It's a fucking mess. Like, it's really annoying. I'm sure that's bad for the climate too. So it's a little bent though, but it's doable. It's not like bad. Hopefully they'll all come in good condition. The other ones though. I already saw one of them damaged, but I got them for a good deal. Just a little bit of dings, but it's not like new though. Exactly new. Very like usable. They're still once again that fucking notification just popped up on my phone. I already know some of these can't bend though, but I can just fix each one of these. Like doable though. That one's pretty good though. The dings don't like matter though, but if it's like unusable, it's not good to. That one came in good condition. That one came in perfect condition. That's okay. Light. That's in good condition. Swear to fucking God, Apple. You better fix this. Look at that. Very nice. I don't hate you, Apple, but I hate when the notifications pops on and video stops recording. It's fucking annoying. It's interrupting what I'm talking about. Dinged up and bent a little bit, but it's still doable. Good condition, not bent, just a few things. I already saw the pictures and I accept it though. Just a little bit of things. No bends on this one at all. That one's bent. I can just fix that bent though. Looks like that's it. Anyways, I fucking hate those peanuts. get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lights. The sockets are good. That's the important part. Just the some of the reflectors are bent and dinged, but it's not a big deal. It will not affect anything. And I can just fix some of that. Thanks for watching. I can just fix it with my hands. Hard to do it on video, but hey, I got it to fix the severe bent on this one, and it looks very nice now. I will put a neutral review though. Thanks for watching. Just every one of these lights, and they all work just fine, and I was able to get the reflector in position on all of them. So they'll all be able to use, and that's very good. I'll just leave it neutral review. I won't do a negative because they all work just fine. I won't need to get a refund. Thanks for watching.